In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Google Calendar and enable the tasks sidebar in Chrome. To get started, open Google Calendar in Google Chrome and make sure the calendar view has fully loaded. This is where you can manage not only your events and meetings, but also the settings that help other people understand when you're available to work. Taking a moment to set this up can make your schedule clearer and help reduce confusion when others are trying to plan around your time. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look toward the top right area of the page for the settings option. Open it, then go to working hours and location. In this section, you can strictly define when you are available for work. This is useful because it lets Google Calendar recognize your standard working schedule, which can improve visibility for collaborators and make your calendar more accurate overall. As you set your working hours, be intentional and precise. Choose the days you work and enter the start and end times that reflect your real availability. If your schedule is consistent, this only takes a minute. If your hours vary, pay close attention so the information matches your routine as closely as possible. The goal here is to make your calendar communicate your availability clearly, so meetings and tasks can be planned more effectively. After that, move over to the right-hand side of the Google Calendar page. You'll see a vertical sidebar area with Google Workspace tools. Find the Tasks tool and activate it. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see the available icons more easily. Once Tasks is open, it becomes much easier to view and manage your to-do items without leaving your calendar. This setup is especially helpful if you want to keep your schedule and your task list visible in one place. With working hours defined, your calendar better reflects when you're available. And with the task sidebar enabled, you can quickly reference what needs to be done while reviewing your day or week. That's all you need to do. Open Google Calendar in Chrome, go into Settings and define your working hours and location, then activate the task sidebar on the right side of the page. Once these are in place, your calendar becomes a much more useful workspace for both planning your time and staying organized.